So Reaper's Collection is one of the best Halloween stores that I've come across here in San Antonio, Texas at the Rolling Oaks Mall. Let's go in and check it out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment. You know some other cool places in Texas that you would like for me to check out and visit, especially in San Antonio, Texas, or other Central Texas locations. All right, let's go check out Reaper's Collection. Enjoy, and I'll see you on the road. Look like Reaper's Collection is not open yet. Anyways, thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the road.